Sawadee Khun and welcome to my channel. My name is Adam and I'm learning how to speak Thai. In this video, I want to share what I've learned this week, how to ask common questions. This is my second video on asking common questions. In this video, there are 12 questions and I've practiced saying each in both the polite and casual forms. Let's get started. Before we start, let's take a quick look at the vowel sounds I'll be using throughout this video. Let's start off with question number 1. Are you available today or are you free today? In Thai, it is wan-nii khun waang-mai. Wan-nii khun waang-mai. Are you available today? Wan-nii is today. Khun you, waang is free or not busy, and mai is the question particle. Wan-nii khun waang-mai. If I want to say this in a casual or informal way, I just say wan-nii waang-mai. I drop the khun. Wan-nii waang-mai. The second question is, what do you do in your free time? Khun tham-rai nai wæ-laa waang. Khun tham-rai nai wæ-laa waang. What do you do in your free time? Khun is you, tham do, a-rai what, nai in, wæ-laa is time, and waang is free or not busy. Khun tham-rai nai wæ-laa waang. What do you do in your free time? The casual way is tham-rai waang. Tham-rai waang. Question number 3. Do you have a hobby? Khun mi ngaan a-di-reɪk mai? Khun mi ngaan a-di-reɪk mai? Do you have a hobby? Khun you, mi is have. Ngaan a-di-reɪk is hobby. It is a combination of the word ngaan and a-di-reɪk. Ngaan reminds me of tham-ngan, and a-di-reɪk is leisure or spare time. Mai, again the question particle. Khun mi ngaan a-di-reɪk mai? Do you have a hobby? To say this in a casual way, I just simply drop the khun and I say mi ngaan a-di-reɪk mai? Do you have a hobby? Question number 4. Why do you learn Thai? Tham-mai khun rian paa-saa Thai. Tham-mai khun rian paa-saa Thai. Why do you learn Thai? Tham-mai is why, khun you, rian study, paa-saa language, and Thai is Thai. So paa-saa Thai is Thai language. Tham-mai khun rian paa-saa Thai. Why do you learn Thai? The casual way to say this is tham-mai rian paa-saa Thai. Question number 5. Where did you learn Thai? Khun rian paa-saa Thai jaak thii-nai. Khun rian paa-saa Thai jaak thii-nai. Where did you learn Thai? Khun you, rian study, paa-saa language, Thai is Thai, jaak is from, and thii-nai is where. Khun rian paa-saa Thai jaak thii-nai. Where did you learn Thai? Or I can just simply say rian paa-saa Thai jaak thii-nai. Number 6. How long have you been studying Thai? Khun rian paa-saa Thai ma naan tao-rai leo. Khun rian paa-saa Thai ma naan tao-rai leo. Khun you, rian study, paa-saa language, Thai is Thai, ma is have been, naan is from, tao-rai is how many or how much, and leo already. Khun rian paa-saa Thai ma naan tao-rai leo. How long have you been studying Thai? The casual way to say this is rian paa-saa Thai naan tao-rai leo. Number 7. When do you normally or when do you usually study Thai? Khun rian paa-saa Thai tam-ma-da mue-rai. Khun rian paa-saa Thai tam-ma-da mue-rai. Khun is you, rian study, paa-saa Thai is Thai language, tam-ma-da is usually or normally and mue-rai is when. Khun rian paa-saa Thai tam-ma-da mue-rai. Where do you normally or where do you usually study Thai? The informal way to say this is rian paa-saa Thai mue-rai. Number 8. Can you understand Thai? Khun khao jai paa-saa Thai dai mai. Khun khao jai paa-saa Thai dai mai. Khun is you, khao jai is understand, paa-saa Thai is Thai language, dai is can, and mai is the yes/no question particle. Khun khao jai paa-saa Thai dai mai. The casual way to say this is khao jai thai mai. Khao jai thai mai. Can you understand Thai? Number 9. How many languages do you speak? Khun put daigi paa-saa. Khun put daigi paa-saa. How many languages do you speak? Khun you, put is speak, dai is can, gi is how many, and paa-saa is language. Khun put daigi paa-saa. Or I can also say put daigi paa-saa ro. How many languages do you speak? Number 10. The question is, have you been to Thailand? Khun khơi bai pratet Thai mai. Khun khơi bai pratet Thai mai. Khun is you, khơi is ever, bai is go, pratet is country, Thai is Thai, and mai is the yes/no question particle. Khun khơi bai pratet Thai mai. Have you been to Thailand? The informal way to say this is khơi bai muang Thai ra plau. Khơi bai muang Thai ra plau. Number 11. What do you think about Thai people? Khun kit wa kon Thai ben yang ngai bang. Khun kit wa kon Thai ben yang ngai bang. What do you think about Thai people? Khun is you, kit is think, wa is that, kon Thai, Thai people, ben is to be, yang ngai how, in what way, and bang is the softening particle. Khun kit wa kon Thai ben yang ngai bang. What do you think about Thai people? The informal way to say this is kit yang ngai gap kon Thai. Kit yang ngai gap kon Thai. What do you think about Thai people? And the last questions I've learned is, do you like Thai food? Khun chop ahan Thai mai. Khun chop ahan Thai mai. Khun you, chop is like, ahan food, Thai is Thai, and mai is the yes/no question particle. Khun chop ahan Thai mai. Do you like Thai food? Or I can also say chop ahan Thai mai. Do you like Thai food? Now let's recap all the 12 questions that I've learned. Wan-nii kun waang mai. Wan-nii kun waang mai. Wan-nii waang mai. Wan-nii waang mai. Khun tham-rai nai wæ-laa waang. Khun tham-rai nai wæ-laa waang. Tham-rai waang. Tham-rai waang. Khun mi ngaan a-di-reɪk mai. Khun mi ngaan a-di-reɪk mai. Mi ngaan a-di-reɪk mai. Mi ngaan a-di-reɪk mai. Tham-mai kun rian paa-saa Thai. Tham-mai kun rian paa-saa Thai. Tham-mai rian paa-saa Thai. Tham-mai rian paa-saa Thai. Khun rian paa-saa Thai jaak thii-nai. Khun rian paa-saa Thai jaak thii-nai. Rian paa-saa Thai jaak thii-nai. Rian paa-saa Thai jaak thii-nai. Khun rian paa-saa Thai ma naan tao-rai léo. Khun rian paa-saa Thai ma naan tao-rai léo. Rian paa-saa Thai naan tao-rai léo. Rian paa-saa Thai naan tao-rai léo. คุณเรียนภาษาไทยtam-ma-daเมื่อไหร่คุณเรียนภาษาไทยtam-ma-daเมื่อไหร่เรียนภาษาไทยเมื่อไหร่เรียนภาษาไทยเมื่อไหร่คุณเข้าใจภาษาไทยได้ไหมคุณเข้าใจภาษาไทยได้ไหมเข้าใจไทยไหมเข้าใจไทยไหมคุณพูดได้กี่ภาษาคุณพูดได้กี่ภาษาพูดได้กี่ภาษาหรอพูดได้กี่ภาษาหรอคุณเคยไปประเทศไทยไหมคุณเคยไปประเทศไทยไหมเคยไปเมืองไทยหรือเปล่าเคยไปเมืองไทยหรือเปล่าคุณคิดว่าคนไทยเป็นยังไงบ้างคุณคิดว่าคนไทยเป็นยังไงบ้างคิดยังไงกับคนไทยคิดยังไงกับคนไทยคุณชอบอาหารไทยไหมคุณชอบอาหารไทยไหมชอบอาหารไทยไหมชอบอาหารไทยไหม That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and ขอบคุณที่ดูวิดีโอนะครับ